Welcome back to the world of wood crushers. The strong working ability and outstanding performance of the wood chipper are a great encouragement for the sustainable development of the wood industry. Come explore them with me through the video below. The powerful working ability of wood chipper is truly impressive, as they can process 5 tons of wood per hour without tiring. With a capacity of 1050 horsepower, the Moorbach 30RXL disc chipper demonstrates its power and outstanding ability to process wood quickly and flexibly. The dangerous giant wood crusher is in operation. It destroys wood surprisingly fast. With the ability to process tons of wood per hour, the wood chipper is truly a reliable companion in the wood industry. Wood chippers constantly surprise us with their tireless work and outstanding performance. In Spain, the demand for wood for furniture making is very high, so using high-capacity Gens 820 wood chipper machines is extremely necessary. Every swing of the wood chipper is a clear expression of the power and might of modern technology. The Moorbach 1100 tub grinder is a mid-sized grinder with many impressive features for processing and reducing wood waste. With a large tank capacity, the Rotochopper B66L can contain and crush tons of wood. This modern and customized equipment forms the basis for professional, user-friendly and environmentally friendly disposal of waste wood. The Vermeer TG5000 is a small tub mill capable of crushing logs. It crushes logs for mulch in a tight yard safely with minimal effort and little fuel per yard. The Moorbach 1300 tank crusher can process large amounts of wood at the same time, bringing high efficiency in the working process. AJ provides wood chipping system for Thai biomass power plant with capacity 20 TPH and output wood chip size 25-30 millimeters. With a capacity of more than 700 horsepower, the CH885 dynamic tree chipper works more powerfully than other machines with the same capacity. FM6DD6HP compact gasoline wood chipper weighs only 38 kilograms, but has extremely strong working ability. The GTS 1500E wood chipper is constantly praised by users for its compactness and excellent working ability. Every second of operation of the RG's 250 wood chipper is a clear demonstration of the progress and power of technology. Over wood trees that need to remove the bark and retain the core, this machine is a great choice. The Posh Bark Peeler not only helps clean trees quickly and effectively, but also has the ability to crush tree bark, creating pieces of the right size to use for other purposes. With the ability to process wood quickly and accurately, this bark remover marks a new step forward in modern woodworking. In just under 30 minutes, the Wood Miser machine cut a giant pine tree into many thin boards. I believe you will like this eucalyptus peeler. The Raver WRC1250 saw easily mills large logs into thin sheets. The flexible and precise working ability of the Woodmiser LT70 is a great encouragement for the sustainable development of the wood industry. The blades cut wood so gently that it clearly demonstrates the advancement of technology in wood processing. The LT70WS cutting machine not only helps cut wood into small panels but also collects sawdust, minimizing pollution to the environment. Not only the wood crusher, the firewood processing machines also really impressed me. The efficiency and precision of firewood processing machines is a clear testament to the advancement of technology in wood processing. While processing firewood and grinding the rest into small mulch, this machine truly brings many benefits. Not only grinding and processing wood, the following wood sawing machines will definitely make you unable to take your eyes off.
Including right to your door.
starting with this advanced giant, an innovative machine that is revolutionizing the woodworking industry. With advanced technology and precise engineering, it delivers outstanding performance in the wood chipping process. With a sturdy structure and powerful engine, Gen's HEM 700DL easily turns large logs into high-quality wood chips that bring high value in today's forestry industry. Biber 84RBZ is a versatile and powerful wood chipper designed for heavy-duty operations. It effectively processes large volumes of wood waste into valuable shreds. With a sturdy design and powerful engine, and a capacity of about 1,000 horsepower, the Rotochopper B66T easily turns waste wood into valuable resources such as mulch and biomass fuel. The class Serion 4000 is equipped with the NHS 450 wood chipper, a force in the agriculture and forestry sector. This can effectively process wood waste on the go, making land management tasks seamless. A beast in the woodworking industry with an impressive oak consumption capacity, the Moorbach 1300 tub grinder plays a vital role in turning wood waste into valuable material. Introducing the dynamic duo of John Deere and Oesch, a formidable combination in the field of agricultural machinery. This cooperation is important in modern farming practices and the rapid processing of hard woods. Meet the powerful pair of Fendt 1042 Vario and Eschelbach Biber 92 MHA. This is revolutionizing the agricultural efficiency. Renowned for their advanced wood chopping capabilities, this duo seamlessly tackles forestry tasks with skill and speed. The Gen's HEM 821DQ is an advanced wood chipper that easily processes large quantities of wood material, making it indispensable in forestry operations. The Rotochopper B66L series is a powerhouse in wood crushing and recycling technology. This machine boasts impressive capabilities, processing up to 1,000 cubic meters of wood waste per hour to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. With the Allback 2000, operators can tackle even the toughest jobs with ease, maximising productivity and minimising downtime in the forestry industry. The ability to quickly and efficiently convert wood waste into valuable debris makes Jens Hacker indispensable for sustainable forestry practices and renewable energy production. Equipped with a Cat C27 engine with the capacity of up to 1,050 horsepower, the Moorbach 1300 can effectively process large volumes of wood material, turning wood into valuable mulch or biomass raw materials. The advanced features of the Rotochopper FP66 ensure stable wood chip size and outstanding product quality, making it indispensable in industries such as landscaping and biomass production. The Jens HE700 STA easily processes large volumes of wood material. This is important for industrial scale forestry operations and biomass processing plants. With an impressive capacity to process more than 100 cubic meters of wood per hour, the Beltramelli Johan is considered a key tool in land management and forestry. With the ability to shred wood into manageable pieces and the precision of a screener, the dynamic duo of wood chipper and screener streamlines operations, maximizing efficiency. The Allback 2000 processes more than 100 cubic meters of wood per hour. This is a key asset in the forestry and biomass industries, effectively converting raw materials into valuable resources. Introducing the Bandit Beast Mode 2680, a beast of a machine designed to conquer the toughest wood grinding jobs. It is the right choice for forestry operations, site clearance projects, and biomass processing facilities. Equipped with a powerful motor, the Morbark 1300 tub grinder delivers outstanding productivity, capable of grinding up to 900 cubic yards of material per hour. The Vermeer TG7000 wood chipper is a game changer in the world of woodworking. Its advanced features and sturdy construction make it indispensable in converting large timber into valuable wood chips. Equipped with a sturdy drive chain mechanism, the Pezzolato PTH 1200-1000M drum wood chipper operates smoothly with the powerful Scania DC16 160708 engine, contributing to sustainable forestry practices. It is a true masterpiece of the forestry machinery industry. The versatile Willyband UH4800 multi-wood chipper boasts powerful performance with advanced technology, driven by a powerful motor that processes a wide variety of wood materials. The Gens HEM 561Z chipper, combined with the powerful Fendt 936 Vario tractor, represents efficiency and performance in the world of wood chipping. The high-performance features of the Bioforger Jens HEM 820, along with its efficient feed system, make it a vital component in large-scale forestry operations. The Allback Diamond 2000 is an excellent forestry product, designed to tackle the toughest challenges with skill, underlining its importance in optimizing wood usage. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. We promise to bring you more interesting videos again. See you soon. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.